this video, we are going to learn about the deep muscles of back of the forearm. First one, supinator. It originates from the lateral epicondyle, lateral ligament of the elbow joint, annular ligament, supinator crest of the ulna, and from the triangular area in front of it. Insertion, upper one-third of the posterior lateral and anterior surface of the radius. Nerve supply of supinator muscle is posterior interosseous nerve before piercing the supinator. Action, supination of the forearm. Next muscle is abductor pollicis longus. It originates from the lateral part of the posterior surface of the ulna below the anconeus and middle one-third of the posterior surface of the radius and intervening posterior surface of the interosseous membrane. Insertion of abductor pollicis longus is lateral side of the base of the first metacarpal. Nerve. Action, abducts the thumb. Next muscle is extensor pollicis brevis. It originates from a small area on the posterior surface of radius below the origin of abductor pollicis longus and from adjoining interosseous membrane. It inserts onto the dorsal surface of the base of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. Nerve supply of extensor pollicis brevis is from the posterior interosseous nerve. Actions, extends the thumb at the metacarpophalangeal joint and extends the carpometacarpal joint. Next muscle is extensor pollicis longus. It originates from the lateral part of the middle one-third of the posterior surface of ulna and adjoining interosseous membrane. It inserts onto the dorsal surface of the base of the distal phalanx of the thumb. Nerve supply, posterior interosseous nerve. Action, extends the joints of the thumb, help in the extension of the wrist. Last muscle is extensor indicis. It originates from the posterior surface of ulna below the origin of extensor pollicis longus and also from the adjoining interosseous membrane. It inserts onto the tendon, lies medial to the extensor digitorum tendon for the index finger, and through the extensor expansion, it is inserted into the dorsum of the middle and distal phalanges of the index finger. Nerve supply, posterior interosseous nerve. Action, extends the index finger and helps in the extension of the wrist. Thank you.